Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is one of my absolute favorite holiday Lego sets. So this is the Alpine Lodge, and as you can see, it's all nice and assembled here, and it comes with a lot of little different pieces. So this set is the 10325 number, and it is 1,517 pieces. It says it is for 18 and up, but it's a great set to do as a family. So if you do have younger ones, you can work as a team. It's absolutely fun. Now it does come with 5 different minifigures. It also comes with a glowing fireplace. So let's go in and break down all the parts and pieces of everything you get. So first off, you are going to get 2 little assembly guide manuals here, like typical Lego, very easy to follow and read, which makes it a lot of fun. They will include one of the brick remover pieces, so that way if you do put anything in the wrong spot, it's really easy to remove. The first set you're going to kind of get here built is a nice little skating rink, and you can see here we have one of the first mini figures that likes to play hockey. Then you are also going to get a really fun outhouse, and when you open up the door, you will see that it has a toilet and a roll of toilet paper. Once again, another absolutely great accessory. Then you're going to get a guy that is got a pair of skis, and of course he has 2 different facial expressions. I love the very nervous expression itself. You're going to get a little kind of cart here where he can pull a Christmas tree, and once again, the lady that's driving it has multiple faces, and the Christmas tree rests on the back. Or you can use the Christmas tree in the village house itself. So now the house itself here is about 8 inches in height, it's about 9.5 inches wide, and it's about 6 inches in depth. It's very, very detailed. You notice all the log cabin pieces are crisscrossing just like a real log cabin. Another mini figure is this girl in the front with a little briefcase. It has all the various different decorations, the logs, and everything. Now the roof does fully open, so that way if you do want to access any of the pieces on the backside, you can do that. It makes it very easy to access the attic space, which you have basically a bed and a present, which has a little gift inside. Then on the second floor, you have a couple other beds. You have a door that goes to the balcony. You also get a little mini cat. And then on the first floor is the kind of storefront. You have like a little kitchen area. You have that other Christmas tree that if you don't want on the cart, you can set up in the house. Then you have a little guy here enjoying some coffee. Now another cool set of this is if you press down on the chimney piece, you have 2 elements that light up. You have the really nice fireplace down below, and then up above you have a little fire with some logs. It's very vivid at night. It looks really, really cool with all the reflections. But overall, I absolutely love this set. It's very, very realistic. It looks great. Very, very detailed. Even the chimney and the fireplace itself with all the brick and the solid places look really, really nice and cool. So if you are looking for a great holiday set of Legos to build with your family, the Alpine Lodge is definitely a must-have. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later.